In this guide, we will explore the 5 most viable methods to reset your device without the iCloud credentials, allowing you to regain access to your device and start using it again. How to reset iPad without Apple ID password. No computer via settings. The Settings app lets you customize various aspects of your iPad, such as volume levels, screen brightness, language settings. Additionally, it includes a reset option, allowing you to restore your iPad to its default settings. How to factory reset iPad without Apple ID password with iCloud. Before resetting iPad without an Apple ID password, enable Find My and use iCloud. It works for screen passcode too. This is an Apple feature that helps locate lost iOS devices. How to erase iPad without Apple ID password via iTunes. To factory reset your iPad without an Apple ID and password or Find My turned on, use iTunes to get your iDevice into recovery mode. Before resetting your device, please back up important content. How to wipe an iPad without Apple ID passcode from iForgot. Apple.com. The last resort is to use Apple's method. If you have forgotten the iCloud account, use My Apple ID to recover or change the passcode by answering security questions or getting an email. This also helps in resetting your iPad.